Today I am going to solve the problem 3.2. To solve the problem 3.2, we have to know some formula. Formula 1, a plus b whole cube equal a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Formula number 2, a minus b whole cube equal a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. And 3, a cube plus b cube equal a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. And formula number 4, a cube minus b cube equal a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. 5, a cube plus b cube equal a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And formula number 6, a cube minus b cube equal a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. To solve the problem from 3.2, we have to know this formula. Now I am going to solve the problem from our textbook. Here, question number 1. Find the cube with the help of formula. Formula 2x square plus 3 y square. That means you have to find out the cube of 2x square plus 3ay square. Now, here the cube of 2x square plus 3y square whole cube. That means 2x square plus 3y whole cube. Now we know the formula a plus b whole cube. Here 2x square equal, if a and 3y square equal b, then we apply the formula a plus b whole cube. Now we apply the formula a plus b whole cube. We know the formula a plus b whole cube equal a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now I am going to apply this formula here. Now 2x square whole cube plus 3a. A means 2x square whole square into b. B means here 3y square plus plus 3a b square. A means 2x square into b square. B means 3y square whole square plus b cube. B cube means here b equal 3y square. That means 3y square whole cube. Now we convert this line to 2 cube equal, we know 8 x whole square, x square whole cube. That means x to the power 6 plus 3 into 2 square means 4 x square whole square. That means x to the power 4 into 3 y square plus 3 into 2x square into 3 square means 9. Y square whole square means y to the power 4 plus 3 cube means 9, 27. Y square whole cube means y to the power 6. Now 8 x to the power 6 plus 3 4s are 12. 12 into 3 that means 36. X to the power 4 y square plus 3 2s are 6. 6 into 9 54. X square y to the power 4 plus 27 y to the power 6. That means the cube of 2x square plus 3y square equal 8x to the power 6 plus 36x to the power 4y square plus 54x to the power y to the power 4 plus 27y to the power 6. That means answer 8x to the power 6 plus 36x to the power 4y square plus 54 x square y to the power 4 plus 27 y to the power 6. This is the cube of 2x square plus 3y square. I hope all of you understand this question. Now in the similar way, all of you solve the problem from textbook 2 and 3. Similar way. This is also similar way. Now I am going to question number 2. Simplify. Simplify 7x plus 3b whole cube minus 5x plus 3b whole cube minus 6x into 7x plus 3b into 5x plus 3b. We have to simplify this question. Now to solve this question, first we have to let 7x plus 3b equal x, e, and 5x plus 3b equal q. To solve this question, we have to let 7x plus 3b equal p and 5x plus 3b equal q. Now subtract 5x plus 3b from 7x plus 5x plus 3b equal q from 7x plus 3b equal p. If we subtract, then 7x minus 5x, that means 2x equal, here 3b minus 0, p minus q. That means we have 2x equal pq. Now we put this. Now we put this value in this line. So the given expression here. If we put 7x plus 3b equal p, then p cube. The expression is p cube minus and 5x plus 3b equal cube. That means q cube minus, here we have 6x. Now I am writing 3 into 2x into p cube. Now p cube minus q cube minus 3 into 2x equal, we have p minus q. That means 3p cube into p minus q. Now the expression p cube minus q cube minus 3p cube into p minus q. Now here we can see that p cube minus q cube. Here we can apply the formula a cube minus b cube. We know a cube minus b cube equal a minus, p minus q whole cube plus 3p cube into p minus q minus 3p cube into p minus q. Here we can see that plus 3p q into p minus q and minus 3p q into p minus q. That means 0. Then we have p minus q whole cube. Now we put the value of p and q. Here p equal 7x plus 3b and minus q equal 5x plus 3b. Then whole cube equal 7x plus 3b minus 5x plus and minus 3b whole cube. Here plus 3b minus 3b equal 0. That means 7x minus 5x we have. 7x minus 5x equal 2x whole cube. X whole cube. 2 cube equal 8x cube. That means this answer is 8x cube. If you simplify this question, we have 8x cube. Answer 8x cube. Hope all of you understand this class. Now today I am going to end this class here. Thank you.